It's cute. It looks like a little froggy. Froggy's got legs.
You sir should have been sitting outside.
So I've named Froggy. And it comes with 3 cartridges. I don't have any visuals because the box is just nondescript, but effectively it's a drone. The purpose of this drone is to help us see what's out there because there's a lot out there and hopefully this will help us. Okay, we also ordered these walkie-talkies because just in case we're out there and we have no phone signal, we'll be able to stay in communication at all times with somebody up here. So I'm gonna go ahead and set these up and yeah. Then we're gonna take Froggy, a walkie, and a walk. Always fully pantsed, rubber boots, with a long sleeve shirt. We're good to go.